Welcome to another English language session with me, Terry Green, looking at alliteration. As we start to look at the English language, we come across lots of complicated words that have very simple meanings. Here, we're going to look at alliteration. Alliteration is when lots of the words in a sentence start with the same sound. You would find alliteration in poetry or stories. It is used to add life to the story or to draw your attention to certain words. Let's look at some examples. Frank fought Fred ferociously. Tracy's trolley trundled towards trouble. Gary got Grant's gold guaranteed. Be aware that the words don't need to be next to each other in a sentence. There can just be many words in the sentence that start with the same sound. Terry tipped up the table during the terrible tussle. And remember, it's the sound at the start of the word, not the letter. For example, Phil phoned from France to fill Frank in on the football. So, alliteration is when lots of words in the sentence start with the same sound. Remember to regularly recall this relevant report. Thanks for listening.